Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? Are you okay? I hope so. Today we are going to solve this mathematical puzzle. So, what is the trick behind this puzzle? When I started to solve this puzzle, I was confused at which trick is applicable on this puzzle. So finally I got the trick. So let's start solving this puzzle. First of all, what you have to do is we have to solve this. 2 2 3 3 is equal to 60. How? Let's do it. First of all, add these all. 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. These are equal to 10. Okay. Now multiply the last one digit 3. So 10 times 3 is 30. Again the answer should be multiplied by the first one. It means 30 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 60. Okay, and the 60 is the answer. Got it? Same trick should be applicable on this also. We have to add all these numbers. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 4 16. Okay, 16 here. Not 16 should be multiplied the last one digit, which is 4. When 16 multiplied by 4, the answer will be 64. Okay. Now again 64 should be multiplied by the first one digit, which is 7. When 64 multiplied by 7, the answer should be 448. Okay. Now you can do this easily. Now I am doing this. Okay. First of all, we have to add all these. The addition of all these numbers 3 plus 9 plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 21. So 21 should be multiplied the last one first. This is 1. We have to multiply 21 with 1. This is again 21. Now again 21 should be multiplied by the first one digit, which is 3. When 21 is multiplying, we multiply 21 by 3, then the answer is 63. So the missing number is equal to 63. I hope you like the video and the puzzle has been solved. Thank you.